Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 137. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Yeah, I woke up a couple of hours ago, didn't sleep that much, ran 10 miles, and here I am. So hopefully I'm not too tired to do this, but we'll see. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna take a nap right after this. So go. Yeah. 30 seconds to go. Hopefully I just do okay. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, seems like I've been donating a lot of rating lately, but it's okay. It's fine. I'm not really. I feel like I'm just not 100% on marathon training. Everything is just so tiring. But I don't know. Whatever. We have 7 seconds to go. As long as I'm able to solve them all, I'll be okay. Or even just do them in okay time. 2, 1, go. Oh, that was fast, actually. And we have 2 problems instead. What a silly contest. All right, 1, 2 is the same except for 510 to the 5th. Okay, what are we asking for anyway? Oh, no. Maximum element of the OS element considered. All right, well, yeah, I mean, okay, this is not that bad, but just annoying to write, I suppose. Yeah, I'll just write the lazy one, right? Start so. And even this, I'm kind of writing slowly, honestly. I might go 5-1 though. This is so annoying to get right. I'm off 5-1. It has to be oh, consecutive, not just greater than. I misread that actually. Okay, and then now we want this, I suppose. 3, 4. So easy to make off by 1 hour. Okay, and then now we have the harder problem, which people haven't done yet for whatever reason. It's not that bad, I think. Right? This is a streak thing. All right. Oh, streak. Okay, fine. Let's start at 1, and then we just have 1. Right? If nums I something like that, right? Very wrong, but oh, I have to do an else. Okay, this is very, very wrong. Because we don't want the last. And also k is equal to 1 is a little bit wrong as well. Yeah. So this is slightly more precise. Maybe, maybe not apparently. Because you cannot be. If I is greater than equal to k. This should be this. I minus 1. I guess that's what I meant. Oh no, I plus 1, sorry. Alright, but we can test this on Q1 first. Okay, so then here we should be good, right? Alright. Whew. Okay, we're Gucci so far, maybe? I don't know. Let's see, are they the same problem? They're the same problem except for it's 500 instead of 100. Okay, let's solve this one first anyway. Well, read the problem first. No one's gotten cute. Okay. You need to place 3 books on. Oh, okay. So 100. It shouldn't be that bad, but at least for the easier version. It's 100, 100, 100, right? That's it. Whoa. You want to maximize? Is this too slow? 100, 100, 100. No, I guess this is too slow. Okay, how do I optimize this? Okay, so you do. Do the columns matter more or the rows matter more? I guess they both matter a little bit. Yeah, no, this is not right. I thought maybe I could, but Someone got it already though, the 500 version. I don't even know how to do the 100 version, honestly. So pick a column, go to the next row. Well, they could be base case, I suppose. Because then now you remove so then now you get the max 3 items from each thing. Yeah, okay, fine. I think this works, but it's a little bit clunky. Okay. Okay, so we should be able to reduce. Maybe, okay, think about that in a second, but let's no, we don't need that. So then now for each row, you want to get the 3 max items, right? You could even do better than that, but I don't think you need to. In fact, we could do this entire thing anyway. So then now we just max 3. Okay, actually let's do it that way then. Okay. How people doing anyway? Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter, focus. Okay, so then now let's say we have a list of this, and then now we just take the last 3 items. Right. Okay, let's double check that this is what we want. Okay, this is good. The other one's not so good, really. Oh, it's from 0 to the -3, but it should be -3 to 0. Okay. Okay, this is what we want. 1, 1, 2, 1. Second row is going to be -1. Okay. What happens on tie? Tie, I guess, don't matter that much. Does it? Do ties matter? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We can do -4 just in case. Shouldn't affect these things. And then now we can do this one row at a time of tick, no tick, right? Okay. So then now we go for. Okay, yeah. Now this should work. 12 people's gotten it. Yeah, okay, so then now we could even optimize this a little bit more, but I don't think you would need to. So okay. Okay, so take one from this row. So then for X index in new board of row, we want to say if we'll just do a count, I suppose. Doesn't really matter, I think. It doesn't change the thing. Makes it a little bit more complicated, but not really. Okay, then if count is equal to 3, then we return 0. Then we return -infinity. Okay, so then now it's a little bit awkward for sure. Okay, so then now we have best is equal to -infinity. We return best. And then now I'm worried that this is going to still be a little bit too tight, but it should be okay. So then if index is not equal to 2, then we have yeah, if C1 is equal to -1, then best is equal to min or max best row +1, count +1. This is the new C1. So that C2 is going to be -1, hopefully. Plus the cost, which is X. Okay, that was if C2 is equal to -1, then you do the same thing. Just type it out, fine. You type fast anyway. C1 index plus X. And then else best is equal to max best go row +1, count +1. It shouldn't matter because count should be already 3. So okay, let's see, 4, 15, 3. All right. Is it fast enough? YOLO. Oh, it's not even right enough. Why is this not right enough? Do we only not? Well, I was gonna say that we only care about 4, but we don't even eliminate 4 of these. Why is this wrong? Huh? So I'm doing a very suboptimal answer. Oh, I don't do the no tech. I forgot the no tech. Okay, fine. I knew that yeah, okay. I forgot to do the no tech, silly Larry. Okay, YOLO submit. Hopefully it doesn't time out. That's the only thing I worry about. How did I forget the no tick? Okay, so that's good. Silly mistake. Come on, Larry. That's such a silly mistake. Okay, now we have to optimize it a little bit. Okay, so then now the 500 thing is going to be too slow, right? The 500 cube. Can we optimize this a little bit? Well, we have a new board, so it's just gonna be 4 elements each. That should be a little bit helpful. Did people get it yet? 11 people got it already. That's pretty fast. I guess, I mean, they didn't spend time on the other one, and they didn't make a silly mistake, probably not. That's such a, that's like a basis for it, and I still couldn't get it right. But, that's unfortunate. A lot of people got Q2 really fast now. So I gotta step it up. Okay, so now 500 is the constraints for each. How would I write this? I guess they're the same, right? So 500. All right, let's look at this code and how to optimize. You have to do each row, so 500 square would be good. 500. Can I do anything with this? Is it still 3 rooks? It's still 3 rooks. Maybe do some sort of divide and conquer. No, because it's still, because you have to do it. You have to return so many possibilities. Don't know that you. I don't know. Maybe not the way that I'm thinking of it anyway. Yeah, what a silly mistake. But okay. Okay, so this is a good idea. So we probably should do it anyway. See what the submission time is. 6 seconds is okay, I suppose. What a silly mistake. People got it though. Very smart people. Okay, so we do the same thing with rows and columns, but then now I have to retain the other 2. Is there anything I can generalize from this? Silly mistake. I knew that one too. I was like, take no take, but then I just forgot to no take. Can't dwell on it, gotta focus, but I don't know how. I mean, I know how to focus, I just don't know how to do it. 500. Yeah, 500 cube definitely is not going to cut it. But can I use a similar idea? Right. For example, okay, so we reduce the thing so that I mean, we reduce this thing by 4, but can we do a similar thing with columns? Right? We probably could, right? So let's see. So then each column will have at most 4 things, and does that help? I think so. I mean, I don't know. Let's see. Then now, okay. How would I write that? Right? So, okay, so new board is equal to this, right? So, okay, cost is equal to Wait up. Okay, so then now you have pen. So you have the J column, and the value is board of IJ, right? Okay, so then you have this thing, and then now we want to sort it. Convert it to a list, just in case. And then we take the last 4, right? So okay, so then now we can do something like, okay, I just update this to this, right? And then now we have for X index in this, we want to say maybe we just want, so index is the column. We also want to say the row, right? So then maybe for the column, okay, then now for column, we want to maybe store, just the row is fine, I think. I'll just, maybe something like this, right? Because we never want to take something from a column that doesn't make sense anyway. So then now we want to do this, except for we want to do an if statement somewhere of if columns of index are in columns of index, something like this. Does this not work now? Was that supposed to be 4? I don't remember. Alright, let's just use all of them. What do we have? For 15.3. A little bit slow. Alright, let's give a YOLO submit. I mean, it doesn't change the input things, so that's why it doesn't thing, but it might change the actual inputs, but the examples are too small for it to change the answer to. Okay, so that works, but is it fast enough? Because then now that's not useful. That is actually way not useful. I have to maybe quick submit again and maybe they will give me the answer. I don't know if this is fast enough for 500, honestly. Which is why I don't know. Because in theory, there's some like pigeonhole thing here, but this is actually unacceptable. Leetcode is just kind of crappy, but okay, fine. Maybe one thing that we can do is just, I don't know, port is equal to But the thing is that I think, I mean, this is right somehow. But I think if all the numbers are the same, there could be some like weirdness of like it eliminating too many. right? Because if this is like the same, I guess it doesn't matter if it's the same, but oh, whoops. It's fast enough, I suppose. What is the size of new port? I want to see. Like, just a lot of emptiness, which makes it really fast, I suppose. Okay. Well, come on, they can't tell me this. Am I good enough to YOLO? 5 seconds. It's faster, but it's not fast enough, I don't think, for me to think that 500. Oh, well, maybe it's just this because I printed. I don't know. This is fast enough, to be honest. Leetcode is just having some timing issues. Maybe it just takes time to load. I don't know. But it's hard for me to be convinced that this is fast enough. But maybe I could do something like I always forget how to do random. Just give me a rand int. Okay, random.rand int. Whatever. Okay, so it's 169 somehow. I mean, I don't know. I'm going to YOLO this just because I mean, it works enough. But it doesn't seem to be super fast on. But if not, it's fine. I don't know. I wish I didn't give away 5 minutes on the other one, but sometimes it is what it is. You might time out, but at least it's right. I don't know if it times out, but meanwhile, it looks like no time. Ooh, memory limited exceeded. That is actually not what I would have expected, honestly. Oh, maybe it's on the caching. Okay, so we could eliminate some stuff. So okay, so then here, for example, we can say that okay, so if length of current is greater than 0, okay, right, and then now we reconceptualize length is equal to length of new port. Yeah, columns, I think well, columns don't matter in how I do it. This is Q3. Submit. Maybe that would be a little bit faster. Memory, I didn't expect memory limited exceeded, to be honest. Let's see if this is much faster. Seems like the other one. I don't know if it would have been fast enough, honestly. Still, though, memory limit exceeded is a little bit sad. Okay, what else can I do? Am I reaching the limit of what I can do here? A lot of people got this fast. Seems like. I don't know. So not that much. Do I want to try again? Why is that? We'll always reduce these whatever. I mean, there are a lot of it. How many possible rows are there? How many? Do I have my random thing up? Nope. Okay, so then now for the 0 I'm dot rent int. Right. Oh, this is actually probably not right, actually. What we want is... okay, fine. Okay. Maybe this will give me more accurate timing. Yeah, I mean, it's much slower for sure. And then now, okay, now it gives me the memory limit exceeded. Why? Is it on cache? I find clear cache. I forget how to do it. Someone told me about it, but I just want to print this before. So okay, so let's just say 300. Let's just do something a little bit smaller, just for. I just want to see what R is for a random board, but maybe memory limits exceed anyway. So, okay, wow. So I guess this memory limits exceed. I didn't actually expect that, but I guess it makes sense if these are all random. I guess I shouldn't have submitted it. But it's still 500 times 500 times 500, even if each of the things are very fast. I thought this would remove the rows, but it doesn't do enough. How many people have gotten this so far? 45. Huh. So I spent too much time on this failed attempt to kind of reduce the space. I wonder if there's like a thing where like you only have to care about the biggest like 20 numbers or something. Right. Let's even do 100 by 100. Let me see what this means. Yes, this one works. Okay. But I'm gonna print R. Okay, so R is, we don't actually remove that many R's. It's just that my random was pretty bad because I didn't random. So then now each 4, so that's why, yeah, that would have never worked. Like I feel like there's a thing with like you know, so for each one, okay, so then maybe I do another thing where maybe just something like this, right? And then now we want to just say, I don't know, top 20, right? Because they're now in the same row. So that means that by definition there's a lot of things we can remove. So maybe something like top 20. So this is sorted. Something like that, right? So okay. So lower, maybe. or the biggest item, I suppose. Right. Cost doesn't exist. Okay, well, it's fine. Where's my lower bound? Okay. Right, so then now we do this, and x is greater than or equal to lower bound, right? It's much faster, right? Is it? 1.2. It's half as fast. Alright, let's see if this still works. Well, does it even work for the input? Well, so lower bound is 2. So then we're just not doing enough of these because we're eliminating too many things. Is that right? It should be lower bound be 2. So this takes the 4 items. Okay, so we have all these things. Oh, we don't sort. I thought I mean, we sorted the other thing, but okay, so at this thing, oh, it's lower bound should be the other way, so this should be 0, and then no, we want to, this part is right, I think. But okay, okay, so this is right again ish. All right, let's YOLO submit. Okay, and then now let's double check. Okay, so the code kind of works. I don't know if it works for this, but yeah. And then now 500, 500. Is it right? Who knows? I mean, it's fast enough. Is it right? Fast and right? Who knows? YOLO. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't right, to be honest. But yeah, very sloppy contest by me. 77 people got it, and I got one of the wrong answer. This one definitely. The Q3 wrong answer was definitely very sad. Q4 solution wasn't good, but I mean, I think I went the right direction. I just didn't follow it all the way through. Yeah, I mean, I think this is cool. I don't. Let me double check the submission time. Yeah, wow, this is very fast. Oh, this is Q1, but Q2 is still very fast, or Q4. So I was good. I was debating optimizing this a little bit better, but you know, it doesn't seem like we have to. Let's just say limit is equal to 20. I'm curious how much can you get it? I guess I test on Q3 because why not? Oof. So 10 is not enough. I mean, yeah, okay. I thought maybe, yeah, I mean, I chose 20 for that reason, but I'm just trying to see if I could get a little bit faster. 16 is fine. Okay. Because of like almost like a sort of a pigeonhole type thing, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think this is going to be an okay contest, but not, you know, yeah, an okay contest, not super good, but it'll be acceptable. I just didn't really, why did, I just noticed this, why did they show the name instead of handles? Wait, yeah, lucky I don't have my name, but, wait. Like, is that a choice? Like, that's kind of weird. Oh, Josh is here though. I thought something looked weird. I don't know people's handle anymore. Or, you know, like I don't know everyone's real names. So, all right, no shout out today, just because. You know, this is very awkward. We had 10 minutes of penalty hurts, so I'm probably not going to update that much. Wasn't that bad, but I definitely could have done faster. I definitely should have done Q3 faster. I got a wrong answer just because of some silliness. And I think actually for Q3 I didn't need this. No, I do need it. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Kind of disappointing, honestly. This is probably lagged or something. That seems too high because more people have solved Q4, right? So that would just be way unexpected if this was this high. Especially since I got 10 minutes of penalty due to silliness. Yeah, and everything is just like very. I mean, I could see myself being 66, not updating the Q4 of everyone else. But yeah, it's going to drop though, so not a big deal. I mean, yeah, I think two mistakes were the two wrong answers, which is kind of sad. Yeah, this one was because I just forgot to not tick part. That's a very beginner mistake, so it is what it is. This one is because I tried to do the max case and I did it wrong. If I did the max case correctly, this would have been right. But But yeah, or like I wouldn't have submitted it is what I mean, because it would have given me whatever. I don't know why I keep on deleting the other part. I wish I kind of just kept this, right? Just right. Like maybe I should have this on like maybe I should have this on template instead of needing to write it out. But yeah, see, after you do this reduction, it just reduces to like 16, which is kind of amazing actually. But does this work? I'm curious how low you can reduce it. 10 is apparently not enough, but maybe I'm printing too much. I was too lazy to take out the print statements. How many inputs are there? Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, it's the reason why I chose 20 is because it's a safe number, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this actually gives me the wrong answer. So let's actually choose some. Let's see what's the biggest number that we can get without being timed out, so that if someone challenges it, at least one of them will be right. Okay. I don't have a mathematical proof on what it should be though, to be honest. Now I'm just doing like a pseudo binary search, as you can see. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So that, you know, just in case that this isn't, or like, because I don't really have a proof for this directly. Yeah, okay. I mean, that's good enough for me. I just want to get, I want to use as close to 10 seconds as possible, so that one of these should not be able to challenge in the worst case, which I'm happy with now. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think the timing is fine. I kind of was a little bit slower, like deliberately slow on this, so that I don't mess up. But I wish I didn't get the wrong answer, because I messed up my randomization, my setup of the board, and because I was testing for this column removal thing, and maybe if we don't, I don't know. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't even know if it's super necessary. I mean, I don't know, it's a very weird optimization thing. I'm sure there's a proof that you can kind of figure out, but I want to get the one version without the columns correct. Yeah, there you go. Just because I'm not confident about some of these things. I think you can do some math on like pigeonhole, but yeah. All right. I mean, that's all I have for this one. Yeah, time to record the, explanation videos. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.